Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to create bouncing spring animation in Blender in right way basically. So let's start. So press AX and delete, press 7 on your numpad. Go ahead and add a circle, scale it down, Hmm, uh, press tab, select all of them, press G, X and let's say 5. Press tab, enter. Now click on here, add modifier, generate, click on screw and increase this value, let's say 32. Now in some cases if it is not look like this, okay, there will be some issues. For example, some people have only hair. The reason is that your center of origin is basically inside the circle. That is the reason you are facing the issue. So select your body and press Ctrl A and apply location, just in case if you are facing issues and you are not able to see something like this. Okay, for example, something like this happening to some of you guys. Okay, now what I will do, let's increase this screw. Okay, it's not the correct align, so press R set, sorry, RX 90. Mhm. And increase the screw value, increase the number of screw. Press 3 on your numpad and increase the screw value. Now how can I make bouncing spring animation correctly? So what I will do, uh, select this and select this, increase this value. Okay, so this is my initial spring. Click on here, go to the frame 40, decrease its value, let's have to here and keyframe it. Now select this two keyframe, press T, click on bounce and let's make it 40 seconds because it's just animation. So if I click on play, notice it is bouncing and voila, we are done. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubts and queries, feel free to ask. You can also play in reverse direction if you want. Okay, so it's up to you. So that's for all. So feel free to ask and make sure to like, subscribe, and share to motivate us. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.